Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we will present you our business analytic assignment. We decided to choose this theory, that is the adoption of blockchain technology from business. Our team is Nurul Fatimah binti Hanafi, and we have Nur Anis Najjar binti Mahmud, and lastly we have Izzati Aina binti Asli.
Develop a detailed questionnaire to gather data on people's view about blockchain technology. This questionnaire covers three main areas: the factor that influence blockchain adoption, its potential benefits, and its future impact. We carefully design questions for each factor to capture important insight. To make the process efficient, we use Google Form for easy distribution and collection of response. 2.1 variable. Independent variable focus on how people survive blockchain and is of obvious and potential benefit. The dependent variable measure our attitude and future attention regarding blockchain adoption. Demographic help us understand how factors like age, gender, race, and education influence perception of blockchain technology. 2.2 Data collection process. We distributed a Google Form survey to 16 business leaders who are familiar with blockchain technology. The aim was to gather insight on their perception and intention to adopt blockchains in their business. The result will help test the research hypothesis and understand the key driver behind blockchain adoption.
In this part, I will explain you about data analysis. In our descriptive statistic, variables is perceptions and intentions regarding blockchain technology. In this part, the mean is 3.33, suggesting that have a positive perception and moderate intention to engage with blockchain technology. For our independent variable factor influencing blockchain technology, the mean is 3.347, indicating that respondents on average agree that there are significant factors influencing the adoption blockchain technology. The next is benefits for blockchain technology adoption in business. The mean is 3.332, indicating that respondents on average perceive a relatively high level with benefits associated with adoption technology. Blockchain technology. The last one is impact and future potential of blockchain technology, which is the mean is 3.375, indicating that respondents on average perceive a relatively high potential impact and future prospects of blockchain technology. For the next part is normality tests. In normal tests, the residual are the differences between the actual and predicted values in the regression model. The bell-shaped curve suggests the residuals follow a normal distribution, which is important for linear regression. The mean of the residuals is very close to zero, showing no significant bias in prediction. With a standard deviation of 0.987, the residuals, the unmeasured outliers or skewness, supporting the assumption of normality. For the test of normality, we got a factor influencing blockchain technology that have a higher scores show that all variables vary considerably from a normal distribution with p-value less than 0.001. For both the statistics range from 0.863 to 0.908, which matching significance level indicating no normality test. For the benefits, all variables deviate significantly from the normal distribution, but of a statistics range is less than 0.01. The normality test for impact and future of blockchain technology shows that all the variables deviate significantly from a normal distribution. Both tests yield p-values less than 0.001, confirming the data's non-normality. Factor influencing blockchain adoption in a t-test, we can see that the average score is 3.35, the standard deviation is 1.01, and the t-value is 26.53. The value for both sides is less than 0.01, showing that mean it is significantly different from zero. Average score for the benefits of blockchain adoption is different from zero, with a sample 64. The average score is 3.33. The standard deviation is 1.01, and the t-value is 26.75. So the p-value for both sides is less than 0.01, showing significantly different from zero. For the last one, sample t-test checks if the average score for the impact and future potential of blockchain adoption is different from zero. With a sample of 64, the average score is 3.38, and the standard deviation is 0.97, which is the t-value is 27.78, and the p-values for both tests are less than 0.01, showing significantly different from zero. For the mean range from 3.13 to 3.62, confirming the result is significant. For the next one is a Pearson correlation, which is, we can see the table shows Pearson correlation coefficients and significance value for the variables. We got four variables there, which is perceptions, factors, impact, and coefficients range from 0.805 to 0.869, indicating moderate to strong positive correlation. All significance levels are below 0.001, suggesting the correlations are statistically significant and not due to chance. With a sample size of 64, the findings are reliable and the positive correlations support the validity of the relationship between the variables.
So next is 6.0 Cronbach alpha. What is Cronbach alpha? Cronbach alpha is a measure of internal consistency reliability. It assesses how well the item on the scale measure the same construct. The value Cronbach alpha range from 0 to 1 with higher values. Are one dependent variable and 3 independent variable. The first one is dependent variable. perception and intention regarding blockchain technology. Perception and intention regarding blockchain technology yield a Cronbach alpha value of 0.899 across 4 items, indicating a high level of internal consistency. This result suggests that the item used to measure this variable are highly valuable and closely related, effectively capturing respondent perception and intention through blockchain technology. Therefore, the score of 0.899 demonstrate that the questionnaire items are suitable for use in further analysis and will likely produce consistent results across different respondents. Next is independent variable. The first one is factor influencing blockchain technology adoption in business in section B. The Cronbach alpha value is 0.884 for 4 items, indicating strongly internal consistency. This means the item used to measure the influencing factors are highly valuable in capturing consistent response. A Cronbach alpha above 0.8 is considered good, suggesting that the question effectively cover the factor impacting blockchain adoption in business context. Next is independent variable section D, benefit of blockchain technology adoption in business. The Cronbach alpha value is 0.907 for 4 items, indicating excellent internal consistency. This value shows that the item used to measure the benefits of blockchain adoption are very reliable and provide consistent data. A score above 0.9 is considered excellent, demonstrating that the item accurately capture respondent perception of blockchain benefits in business. The last one is independent variable section E, impact the future potential of blockchain technology. The Cronbach alpha of 0.890 with 4 items, indicating high internal consistency. This means the items are reliable and can produce consistent and accurate response. The high reliability score ensures that the data collected is valid for understanding blockchain future impact in business. 7.0 Regression analysis. The model shows a strong and reliable relationship between the factor influencing blockchain adoption and people's intention towards it. 83% of the variation in how people view blockchain adoption is explained by this model, making it highly effective. The model is robust with accurate prediction and non-significant issue with autocorrection is no reliable result for decision making. Next is 8.0 Regression confusion. The regression analysis examines key factors shaping people's perception and intention toward adopting blockchain technology. The most significant factor identified was the perceived benefit of blockchain in business, showing a strong positive relationship with perception P equal to 0.8.2, P equal to 0.001. This indicates that as people recognize practical business advantages of blockchain, their likelihood to adopt it increased substantially. Other factors, such as general influencing factor, is B equal to 0.179, and impact and future potential B equal to negative 0.043 did not show statistically significant effect. The findings suggest that future potential or general discussion around blockchain are less persuasive compared to tangible, immediate benefits in business application. The model showed no multicollinearity issues, confirming that the analysis is statistically sound, that the constant value of 0.307 represents baseline perception when other factors are zero. This insight emphasizes that promoting blockchain's practical business benefit is essential for driving positive perception and adoption intentions. Our organization should focus on showcasing real-world applications that provide clear value to users rather than abstracts or future possibilities. 9.0 Collinearity diagnostic. The collinearity diagnostic helps understand if some independent variables are too closely related, which can cause issue with the accuracy of the regression model. We see moderate to some multicollinearity in the model, particularly with the variable related to factor influencing blockchain adoption, benefits and impact. This means we need to carefully address this variable to ensure that the model remains stable and reliable. Lastly is conclusion. The research examined how business manager perception and intention to adopt blockchain technology are influenced by factors like perceived benefits, future potential impact, and external influences. The results show that perceived benefit had a significant positive effect on adoption intention, P equal to 0.042, meaning that the more benefits manager perceive, the more likely they are to adopt blockchain. On the other hand, future potential impact had positive effect, but it was not statistically significant. P equal to 0.068, indicating that while future possibilities are considered, they do not strongly drive adoption decisions. Factors influencing blockchain adoption, such as trend or recommendation, had almost no effect. P equals 0.988, suggesting that external factors are not significant in managers' decision making. The regression model explains 2.1% of the variance in managers' perception and intention, with perceived benefit being the most influential factor. This highlights that the immediate tangible benefit of blockchain are the key driver for adoption, while long-term potential and external factors have minimal influence.